Hey guys, and welcome to another video in this series. Today we're going to be talking about the photographer James Abbe. So let's get started. So what made James Abbe particular in his time is that he was taking photographs outside of his studio. Now this is kind of being rebellious because just think for a moment how cumbersome it was photography at the early stages. I mean, the big cameras, it was just heavy. It was very, very difficult. So by doing this, it's just like going against all that was preset. That was very intense. That was very good for him. Now, Abbe rose to stardom by shooting theater personalities, which later turned into Hollywood personalities. I mean, he would photograph Charlie Chaplin, for example. But dancers were always his muse. In particular one, Anna Pavlova, that was his most favorite muse. His portraits are placid. It's not like something that you're staging too much. No, on the contrary, they look very easy and the subjects look very well mannered. I'm gonna quote Alexander Lieberman, because he says that it's kind of like an underlying dream of a world where people act and behave in a civilized manner. That's kind of what represents the pictures that James Abbe took. So let's take a look at some examples from his work. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment down below, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we see the work of a new photographer every Friday. So, see you Friday!